opened up the way. A natural emotion feels stronger every day, pulling me to ask you to inspire me to create so I can share with others everywhere these colors of my life. I won't leave it up to fate, and now I cannot wait to inspire, create, and share. I know that you can feel it too. I find my inspiration in the world in front of me. With Stampin' Up's creations, it's easy to believe. I know that you can feel it too. Inspire me to create so I can share with others everywhere these colors of my life. I won't leave it up to fate, and now I cannot wait to inspire, create, and share. I'm gonna make it happen, 'cause now I realize these things I feel inside me I cannot hide. Tomorrow's yesterdays are right here before my eyes, and I'm hoping you will be there to inspire me to create so I can share with others everywhere these colors of my life. I won't leave it up to fate, and now I cannot wait to inspire, create, and share. Inspire me to create so I can share with others everywhere these colors of my life.